Go ahead and open it and see what's in it. Wow, check this out. It is a olive green, and I think that is fantastic. Came with a hanger as well. This is, let me read it to you. Fabric 684.601/9810. The style is CHR01, contemporary trousers, 100% wool. And as mentioned before, it's olive. And then it came with this sticker here. So it says high rise, so Spier Mackay there. And on the back side, you can see it says olive covert. And then it also gives the style number and so on and so forth, which I've already given. The original price is $188. In Canadian dollars, it's $238. So I think this is a really good buy, especially on discount, which is why I say keep what you can and then pick it up on discount if you can. So thank you guys very much for visiting my channel. I will put a link to the video of me talking about Peony Palmer, which is another company that I have done lots of business with in the past and gotten a lot of my stuff from. So thank you guys very much. For daily content, please follow my Instagram channel, which will be linked down below in the description. Thank you guys very much and have a wonderful day.